Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE on Metro by T-Mobile. What you get, what it costs, and whether it's worth your money. Let's jump in. What is the Galaxy S25 FE? The Galaxy S25 FE is Samsung's fan edition model in the S25 lineup. It gives you many of the flagship features like a high-quality camera, smooth display, and solid battery life, all at a more affordable price. Metro by T-Mobile has some great deals right now that make it even more appealing. Pricing and deals. Here's how the pricing works on Metro. The original price is $649.99. If you bring a number over to Metro, you can get it for $99.99. Buying new with a new number, it's discounted to $199.99. Metro requires an autopay plan. $60 per month with autopay, $75 the first month. Online orders come with free 2-day shipping, while in-store purchases have a $25 activation fee per line. Key specs and features. Here's what you get for that price. Display, 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen, full HD+, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. Cameras, triple rear camera setup, 50-megapixel wide, 8-megapixel telephoto, 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Front camera is 12 megapixels. Battery, 4,900 mAh battery with super fast charging 2.0, charger sold separately. Performance, 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, no expandable memory. Build, Gorilla Glass, Victus Plus and Armor aluminum frame, thinner and lighter than prior FE models. Extras, Gemini Live with camera share, AI generative edit features for editing photos, background adjustments, and audio erasing. Connectivity, supports 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi, NFC, weighs about 6.7 ounces. Pros and cons. Pros, flagship level features at a lower price. Strong camera performance, especially wide and ultra-wide shots. Bright and smooth display. Good battery life and durable build. Cons, charger is not included. No expandable storage. Discounted pricing requires either transferring a number or signing up for autopay. Actual battery life depends on usage, apps, and settings. Who is this phone for? This is a great choice if you want a premium-feeling phone without paying flagship prices. It's perfect for those who care about cameras, display, and performance, but don't need expandable storage or included accessories. Power users who want every feature may still prefer the full S25 or Ultra models. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE on Metro by T-Mobile is one of the best values right now. If you can, wait for a bring your number deal and sign up for autopay. That's where you save the most. If you liked this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment and ring the bell.